Hi everyone! Saving our planet might seem like a monumental task, but did you know that every small action counts? Today, I'm going to share a few easy ways you can make a big impact. First up, let's talk about reducing waste. You've probably heard the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Simple, right? But here's the thing. It starts with you, at home. Opt for products with minimal packaging and always think twice before you throw anything away. Can it be reused? Or better yet, can you avoid buying disposable items altogether? Next, let's switch gears to conservation. Water is a precious resource, and saving it is easier than you think. Simple changes like fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and using water-efficient appliances can make a huge difference. And when it comes to energy, switching to LED bulbs and unplugging devices when they're not in use can help reduce your carbon footprint. Now, onto something a bit bigger, your diet. Did you know that reducing meat consumption can significantly lower your environmental impact? Even one meat-free day a week can make a noticeable difference. So why not give it a try? There are plenty of delicious plant-based options out there that are good for you and the planet. Lastly, educate and spread the word. Change starts with awareness. Talk to your